Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I just want to give you the best. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Do you know how to use Dettol Antiseptic Liquid soap to treat acne, pimples, scissor wound, clearance, diaper rashes, any kind of rashes on your skin? Do you know how to use it? Dettol Antiseptic Liquid, it's very good for this treatment. Okay, but if at all this is the first time to click on my channel, please kindly subscribe, because this is where I'm going to be showing you all beauty tips, all natural beauty tips. Any kind of cream you would like to be using on your skin, just keep tuning on this channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use Dettol Antiseptic Liquid to clear acne. Do you want to have this flawless skin like mine? No makeup. I don't use makeup. It's a glass skin. It will help you to treat all acne on your skin. So all you have to do, get Dettol Antiseptic, get a cotton. If at all you have pimples in your skin, it's okay, you can even apply it all over your skin, then keep it for 45 minutes and leave it there. After 45 minutes you can wash it off. Go everywhere, even on the wound, scissor wound. If at all you just gave birth and you got a scissor section, then get Dettol, put it into warm water, then get cotton, start washing your wound using Dettol. Trust me, you're not going to be getting any future infections if at all you use Dettol to clear up the wound. So when it comes to pimples, apply it on your face, let it dry it there. Then after, when it's dry, you can wash it off, and you're going to be having a clear skin. Do this for 7 days. After that, apply a cream which does not cause skin oil. If at all you're suffering from skin oil, make sure that you don't use a cream which contains oils. So this Dettol, it's going to help to dry up all the acne, pimples on your skin, and the skin is going to stay clear like mine. No pimples, no dark spots, all is well. You can see, you can see. Okay, so but if at all this is the first time to click on my channel, please kindly subscribe. Really love you so much. But try this Dettol Antiseptic Liquid. It's very nice, and it's going to help you get rid of all skin issues, skin problems that it's proven to be good in acne and pimples. It's going to leave your skin any kind of rashes you don't understand on your skin. Just try Dettol Antiseptic Liquid. It's very nice, because it's also found in the pharmacy. Something which is good in the pharmacy, it's proven right and good. Okay guys, love you all and see you in the next video.